Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's been, I don't know, months? Let's put it that way. It's been months. You know, got a family, got a life, and this was to do on the side and, you know, have fun with it. But unfortunately got pushed to the back burner a little bit. And, you know, I just been kind of putting my head down and, you know, trying to get the truck done, you know, picking away at things, and I just forget to film and I forget to do so many things. So I apologize to everybody, like the 206 subscribers I have. I really appreciate your loyalty and staying on. But you know, the season is a coming. You know, it just started snowing here, so we got a little bit, 8 months or so before the racing season. But Hollywood 2.0 is taking off. I mean, we sold the CTSV. You know, I owned that car for 5 years, and you know, I was at its max. I was at its max potential. So I said, enough's enough. I said, you know what? I sell the car. I can do, you know, so many things with the money I made from that car. And I figured, you know what? If I want to get serious about this racing, this first build of mine, it would free up a lot of capital to get some of the big parts purchased. So anyways, that's what we did, and here we are. She's coming along. This is 2.0. Fucking shit ton of work went into her. I know she probably doesn't look any different, but she got fully gutted, everything gone. See you later. Wiring harnesses front to back. There is no such thing as a factory wiring harness in this anymore. Pulled the engine, did a bunch of stuff. Fully rebuilt the hacked up factory cross or rad support. Fully rebuilt it to be a tubular little light front end. So now, instead of the big black thing, you know what I mean? And now it's just a tubular front end, 6 bolts, everything comes out. Rad and intercooler can stay in on this, and this can come out with 6 bolts, 2 plugs for the headlights. You're at the front of the engine, you're working on it. So that was huge. Took me a while, obviously, to, you know, figure out the configuration for all the lights and how to mount them. And yeah, it was a lot of work, but I'm really happy with it. It turned out way better. Also upgraded the wastegates. Got some BSIs on there, Black Sheep Industries. Huge shout out to that company. Great Canadian company doing a lot of cool stuff. So hopefully in the future, when this thing takes off, maybe we can work together. You never know, right? I got a Ching Chong turbo. I would like to have one of the dickhead turbos on here. You know, being a 408, that little turbo over there is probably going to run out of back housing, but we're going to give it a shot. But anyways, like I said, BSI Industries, Black Sheep Industries, Canadian company. Check them out. Good quality shit. On the inside, I bought the chromoly cage. Decided I was going to install it myself. Fuck, it's been a long process. I mean, it's really hard to figure out all your angles for your pie cuts. I mean, it's not just straight 90s here, right? Like, I've never done this before, but it's turning out okay. Still have a long way to go. I got the main hoop, the halo, the down bars, the dash bar, 1 door bar, and all the outriggers fully welded. So next is rear bars coming out the window, the dash or the door bar for the passenger side, and also on these S10s or Sonomas, the body mounts are located up on the higher part and up forward. So if you're doing a cage where you need to put them through to an outrigger, unfortunately it brings the cage, how to explain it? It brings the cage forward. So the crossbar, if you buy a pre-bent kit from Summit or something, the crossbar normally goes straight here, but as you can tell, that's not going to work. So I have to find a piece and custom bend it to follow to the back of this rear truck, you know, rear truck fucking section to follow back there, so I can get more room to put the seat back. But that's the only downer. If you buy a pre-bent kit, the body mounts are completely in your way, but it's turning out okay. So nice and sturdy. And I also got a shit ton of parts in, so I've just been starting pre-wiring the truck. Pre-wiring the truck with the panel I built from scratch. Probably you guys seen it on my Instagram and TikTok. And then that's a painless wiring harness, fuse block. Just took a whole bunch of stuff out of it, stuff that you didn't need. All that thing's gonna do is run my turn signals, headlights, just shit like that, just to make it streetable, just the bare minimums. Obviously I still have all the wires left over if I want to, you know, add something in here. Now I have that ability to add, you know, a cigarette lighter or whatever it needs to be, add a fused panel. So got the Holley 6.68 inch screen in, got my headlights, marker lights, horn. This is beautiful. I built the bracket off the back here from scratch just to mount it up on here. Obviously got the Hurst shifter. Big shout out to them. They make some fucking great shit. Amazon for the fucking switch panel. Love it. Works amazing. Everything's wired in, so neutral safety switch wired in, buttons wired in on, what do you call it? The switch is your ignition switch technically, because I eliminated this switch. A lot of work, but it's turning out good, so pretty stoked. I mean, it's been a 3-year project of mine, but we started from scratch. Put the mega squirt in it, got it running, wasn't happy with it. Decided to fully pull it apart and rebuild it properly. Like, not properly, but you know what I mean, to the way that I wanted it to be originally. So, you know, such thing as like TBM brakes, TBM manual brake booster, got rid of that big fucking vacuum thing. So shit like that, right? So Holley Dominator instead of the EFI Live or the EFI Gold Box. Motion Rates Works. Quality products, CO2 bottle, their parachute, couple other little things from them. So yeah, it's all working out. So anyways, just a quick little update video of what's going on in the truck. I mean, I'm bagged, I've been working fucking hard and late nights, but in the summer it's all gonna pay off. Me and the family, we can get out there and go do some racing. Maybe even this winter we'll get on a dyno, right? So looking forward to it. Anyways, I appreciate everybody. If you haven't, my friend of mine in one of my original videos of first getting this started, Ryan Horde, he started a YouTube channel, so make sure you hop over and go check him out. I will post a link in the bio or in the description for his channel. So make sure you go over there and check him out. He's starting a new venture, so support your local Canadians. And yeah, anyways, like I always said, much love. I need a sponsor.